इल्म क्या चीज है आइए जानते हैं। स्पीच तो सदीका जहांगीर वर्सेस मोहम्मदी फातिमा।
Hi, good morning all my dear audience. Most welcome to Al-Islami Maktab to all of you. Hi, good morning all my dear audience. Most welcome to Al-Islami Maktab to all of you. What is your name? My name is Mohammadi Fatima. How are you? I am fine. What about you? I am good too. What are you doing now? Well, I am studying Al-Islami Maktab Mirzapur. Which class do you in Al-Islami Maktab Mirzapur? I did in class 3 in Al-Islami Maktab Mirzapur. Where can now your class teacher? Yes, of course, my class teacher Abdul Jabbar sir. Wow, very good. What we are favorite subject? Yes, my favorite subject are Quran and English also. Who teach your English subject? Abdul Jabbar sir teach my English subject. What is your best hobby? My best hobby is studying, playing kabaddi. So very well. What do you want to? I want to become a first Hafiz the Quran, then after inshallah doctor. Your aim is very well. Thank you. Who did you feel after meeting? Nice to meet you. Thanks my dear friends. Next time see you. Why not, of course. Thank you. Bye. Most welcome. Goodbye.